Hello everybody. I know you're used to see me like really excited and all, but I'm just feeling so emotional right now. Um okay. I met someone. I won't mention the name and all. It came through my WhatsApp. That's how I met the person. And the person is a big fan, said he's a big fan and blah blah. And then as we were talking and talking, that person said, Kuti, I really enjoy your skits and I'm willing to help you in different ways. So I just thought that it's just one of those people, random people who are just there, kuku, maybe kuku nyenga or what. But that person is not even like that. The person promised that he was going to send me a laptop and 4 iPads for my kids. And so as you can see, right now I'm in shock because the person landed all the way from over there, and he brought me this. I can't believe this. These are the iPads for my kids. I don't know. These are the earphones for my kids. This is the laptop, a brand new laptop. Brand new, guys. Can you believe this? Someone I don't know. I don't even know what to say. These phones for my kids. I don't even know what to say to this person. He refused. I really wanted to mention this person. Trust me, these things didn't come out of sex or anything. This is just one fan from over there who just did this to me. I'm so grateful. I'm thankful. Thank you so much. God bless.